Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what's the best and most practical way to clean the dash camera lens. Of course, most common practice is to use on video or DSLR cameras to use the special cleaning wipes or some special liquid plus tissue wipes. Of course, it's not so handy to carry those sort of cleaning equipment with you everywhere. So, and I have found the LensPen series, which is very compact, easy to use, and very easy to carry with you. So the LensPen series, they have a lot of different options here. There is the Mini Pro, Micro Pro, the Mini Pro GoPro series lens pens, and there is a DSLR kit here which has a Micro Pro for the viewfinder cleaning, the silver ring, it's for cleaning CPL filters, and the gold ring for DSLR camera lens. And of course here is the old series, old style lens pen with the black carbon which leaves marks on your finger. The new series, it uses invisible carbon. These adheres here, so it doesn't leave any marks. Very practical to use. So why I prefer the lens pen? I'm going to show you. The lens pen has a very small tip here, and inside cap there is a sponge which has a invisible carbon compound, and it's very easy to reach to any small tiny lens compared to the common way when you use the tissues. For example, yes, with the lens which are protruding like this lens here, it's quite okay to clean the old, or let's say most common way to use when you use the liquid. Clean with the liquid and then wipe off with the clean tissue. That's fine. It's probably also fine with this type of lens which are flat and you can reach edge to edge to full lens surface. But, and also of course, let's say like this Mobius B lens, but it's much harder to clean very tiny lens, or the lens which are not protruding. Okay, probably even this black is, you can see those lenses are probably a few millimeters down deeper the surrounding lens ring. Of course you can fold tissue somehow like this and clean also, but it take more hassle, of course. For those type hard to reach lenses, I would recommend to try out the LensPen. So how does it work? On one end it has a handy retractable brush, okay. On the other side it has a cap, and if you unscrew this cap there is a cleaning head, and it's in those two models it's a curved cleaning head and it's rubbery, so, and very easy to reach edge to edge any lens, mini lens especially. So how you use? First, of course, you use the brush to wipe away any dust particles from lens. Then you unscrew the cap and use circular motions to wipe away any grease, any fingerprints, so on. So don't push too hard, just very light pressure, and that should be okay. If there is a very heavy greasy mark, you just recharge it. How to recharge? You just screw the cap on and then off. So it will recharge the invisible carbon, and you can continue cleaning. And that's it. Doesn't need any liquids, any tissues, any cloth. So, and for me, I've been testing them for a couple of months and I really like them. So the difference with this mini series, as you can see here, blue ring, the pink ring and the full black pen, is that this is the Micro Pro. It's mostly used for the DSLR cameras, viewfinders, or of course you can use for any other small lens to clean. It has a flat surface, so, and you can reach edge to edge most of the lenses. The next one, and this one, sorry, it's a 5mm diameter. The next one is a Mini Pro. It's a GoPro series. It has a 8mm diameter tip, and the tip is curved, so it will fit the lens perfectly. You can clean edge to edge. And the third one, it has a 8.5mm head in diameter. And of course you can use LensPen to clean your mobile phone lenses as well. That's it. Thank you for watching.